how to use Tubidy FM. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. The first thing that you need to do is to head over the app and install it into your iOS device or your Android device. Once you have installed the app, you're going to see here the surface of it. Here I'm going to make a little disclaimer guys. The app is plenty of ads. If you want to delete those apps, you're going to head over the gear icon at the top, then you are going to click on remove ad, and for only $2.99 per month you are going to remove the ads. So here, as you can see, we have the menu. You are going to see here the language, the country, and the application color. All of these doesn't matter. If you are interested to change something for the system appearance, you are going to head over the theme, then you are going to choose one of them, and also the colors. Now here at the top of the app we have the header that contains the country that you want to listen to the radio here, and also you are going to see the trending songs into this specific country. We have the albums, we have the songs, we have the radios, and we have the trending videos. If you want to play something on here, you're going to select one of the music titles on here, then you are going to see it turn in here right away at the center at the footer. So if you want to make a search, you are going to click on search, then you are going to search for video, lists, songs, radio, and podcasts. For the list here, you are going to see the as you can see here, we have some ads. We are going to ignore that ad. Then we are going to see here the list. We have the favorites, the history, and all of the lists. So we have the files here. If you have already downloaded a song or a podcast, you're going to see it popping off right away. So here, if I want to change, for example, the country, I'm going to change to Canada, and I am going to see here the trending songs and also the trending radios right away. So make sure that you are going to put your favorite podcast. For example, I'm going to set up the radio, then I'm going to click on the center button. I'm going to see here the radio playing, and also you can go ahead and share the radio and add it to the favorites. You can do this for the podcast also. I'm going to see here the podcast. You can go ahead and subscribe and download the podcast with a single click of the button. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.